So there are several key features of the Insta360 which make it the most versatile action camera in the world. Starting off with the fact that you can crop the video in both horizontal 16:9 aspect ratio or a vertical 9:16 aspect ratio anytime you want with any footage you basically have shot. Now that's a level of convenience content creators will absolutely love, because you always want to have footage in both shots format and a horizontal format. Single camera giving you both these shots with a single shot, well, that's something sent from heaven. And if you're wondering if there might be a quality loss due to the cropped in factor, well, this shoots a 8K resolution at 30 fps or also shoots a 5.7K resolution at 60 fps for a 360-degree video. So you can be assured that even when you're cropping through the 360-degree video into a 16:9 or a 9:16 aspect ratio, you will have absolutely no quality loss. So this is a shoot first and frame later camera. So basically in conventional cameras, we always have to frame first and then we have to start shooting. I mean, basically we need to have a proper idea where the camera is focused at, where the camera is turned towards, and what we want to capture in that particular camera. All those problems go into the dustbin with the Insta360, because you never have to frame the shot. You just need to turn on the camera and just hold it at the point of perspective where you want the videos to be shot from. So once the video is shot, you can always reframe it later on, and as I said previously, you can change the aspect ratio, you can change the direction, you can look up, look down, look right, look left, any way you want. You can frame it later using the Insta360. This also gets an invisible selfie stick mode. Basically, you can mount the Insta360 on a selfie stick and the camera intelligently removes the stick in the final uploaded video, which means you can get those amazing fake drone shots. You can get those amazing third-person perspective if you don't have anybody else shooting videos for you. This camera can do the job by removing the selfie stick within the uploaded video. This also gets a 360-degree horizon lock, which means no matter which direction you are turning around the camera, the horizon always remains constant and it doesn't change along with the camera's tilted angle. Talking about photographs, this can shoot a 72 megapixel 360-degree photo. So in case if you have gone to a superb and a crazy looking place and you want a 360-degree photo showing off your location, well, the 72 MP powered shot using the Insta360 can definitely grab some eyeballs. But this was all about doing things in a 360 mode. But what if you want to use the camera in a conventional mode, just like a conventional action camera? Well, Insta360 has a single lens mode as well. You can use this in a 16:9 aspect ratio or a 9:16 aspect ratio, and you can shoot a single lens mode, which basically shoots just like a conventional camera. You have to frame first and shoot later. You have this convenience within this unit. So this makes it a crazy versatile camera, because you have so many different options and so many different ways of shooting your content. Now the fact remains that since this gets two different lenses, it is a possibility that they might get damaged, they might get dusty, you have a lot of dirt. If you're going skiing or swimming or maybe off-roading, I mean basically all the action sports which you might be involved in, the lenses might get dusty, the lenses might get scratched, and that's where the lens guards come into place. You have these removable lens guards in which you also get some premium lens guards as well. So these are provided within the box. The normal lens guards are present within the box, so you can just plug this in and make sure the lenses, the actual lenses of the camera, remain totally safe and sound. And if you're someone who prefers to do some scuba diving, who prefers to do some snorkeling in the serene and pristine waters of Maldives, there couldn't be a better camera to shoot that experience. The Insta360 is waterproof up to 10 meters, which is close to about 33 feet. But what of all the different types of footages you have shot, either the single lens mode or the 360-degree mode, either the 16:9 standard aspect ratio or the vertical 9:16 mode? I mean, what to do with all those videos, how to edit them? Well, this supports AI powered editing, and this gets a editing app both for your smartphone and for your PC. The Insta360 app is super cool and a super user friendly app which you can use to easily frame the shots, easily create that perfect moment which you are looking for in this 360-degree camera. Last but not the least, you might be wondering how long a single charge on the Insta360 might last. Well, based on my personal usage, I've used it non-stop for 2 full hours. Yes, that's a lot of footage. 2 hours worth of footage is so much. Content creators will know that. So overall, 1.5 to 2 hours you can definitely capture using the 360-degree mode, and that's something really cool, and that's something which gives you a lot of flexibility in terms of capturing various different moments in your journeys. But for someone who prefers a more longer duration, maybe 4 hours or 6 hours, you get an adventure combo of the Insta360, wherein you get separate batteries, additional batteries with a charging case, which can extend your shooting duration for the longest part of time. But of course, the price point of this adventure combo will be a bit higher, but the normal Insta360 with a single battery comes at a price of about 36 to 37,000 rupees. But if you're someone who is a biker like me, who likes to go out and who likes to record your biking videos, you get a motorcycle bundle as well, which gives you an additional mount or a clamp which you can use to mount this camera on your bike, and you also get a memory card. You get it at a price of about 42,000 rupees. And as I said previously, the adventure combo with the additional batteries and maybe the selfie stick as well comes in at a price of close to 48 to 49,000 rupees. So this is one crazy vlogging camera, one crazy action camera for all those content creators who just love to shoot videos, who love to reframe them later on and want to capture the perfect moments in every single way wherever they go out on a vacation or for some action sports. So I've been having a lot of fun time shooting with the Insta360 X4, and it has a very shallow learning curve. I mean, you can easily learn things in a quick way, and once you've gotten hang of the camera, you will just love to use it on your next ride or your next drives. So I'll be bringing up a series of videos on the Insta360 X4 showing you all of its settings, how to use it, the video quality, the daytime quality, the nighttime quality. I mean, all the related stuff about the Insta360 X4. So make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button right now if you don't want to miss some amazing videos on the Insta360 X4. That being said, let's quickly jump on and show you a quick unboxing and the first experience, the first user experience of the X4, and just give you some level of information of what you can expect if you buy this camera. Let's take a look. So finally here I have my first 360-degree camera, and this feels quite big and heavy. I mean, if you can see right here, pretty much covers the palm of my hand. You've got this Insta360 X4 badging right at front. It has got this serrated design at front, looks cool. You have this LED indicator. At the back you get a display, and of course on top you get these big fisheye lenses which give you the 360-degree video. On one side you get a power button and some other slots which I'll have to take a look into. At the bottom you've got a standard connector for your tripods. So in the box you have a case so that whenever you're taking this out on a trip you can keep it safe. So it says Insta360 right here, and inside the case you also get a frame, a fiber case, which if you put on will help if in case the device slips and falls. This will protect it really well. Following that, here is the cleaning cloth, and this says this is a thermo grip cover. You need to install it and remove it as and when you require it. Along with that, you get a type C to type C cable for charging. You get interesting Insta360 stickers, one in yellow and one in white. Lastly, you also get a quick start guide showing you what you need to do in order to get the unit up and running. So here are the two lens guards right here, and if you can notice, there is a blue dot given right here at the bottom of the lens guard. So you can see right here there is a blue dot which Insta360 says should be properly aligned before you can actually start using the device. So specifically they have shown it here on this sticker that the blue dot should come right at the bottom of the screen, and that's the correct way to install this. So first let's just align the blue dot towards one side and then twist it around so that it fits into place. So basically it clicks into place, and all you need to do is just rotate the lens guard, and now it has fit into place. Same thing should be repeated on the other side. Lens guards are now properly installed on the Insta360 X4, and the camera is ready to use. So all in all, this camera is super crazy and super good for all those content creators out there who are looking for a perfect camera. And if you're interested in grabbing this, go ahead, the purchase links are given right down below in the description. Don't miss out on some extra savings as well in the ongoing Amazon sale. See you in the next one.